Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the VEVOR Compost Spreader. Now, let me tell you why this compost spreader is an absolute game-changer for your lawn and garden. With a 24-inch wide barrel, it's perfect for spreading various materials such as compost, peat moss, manure, and topsoil. This means you can provide essential nutrients for your plants and garden, leading to healthier, more vibrant growth. But that's not all. The spreader is designed for ease of use. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable for anyone to use, whether you're young or old. And with its sturdy steel structure, it can even be towed without any damage, making it versatile and durable for long-lasting use. What really sets this spreader apart is its upgraded side latches. They ensure that the basket remains closed during tipping and tumbling operations, making the whole process neat and efficient. Plus, the powder-coated steel construction makes it rust-proof and corrosion-proof, guaranteeing its longevity. So, whether you're spreading on slopes or uneven surfaces, this spreader runs smoothly and spreads beautifully, saving you time and effort. This means you can say goodbye to the traditional, labor-intensive methods and hello to a more efficient and effective way of spreading materials. If you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level and see your lawn and garden thrive, then this compost spreader is an absolute must-have. So, don't miss out. Check the link in the description to get your hands on the VEVOR Compost Spreader today. Trust me, you won't regret it.